Hello guys, my name is Imran Aftab and today we are going to know something interesting about Google Car. This is the first look of Google Car. It's quite googly. Google Car is a self-driving car made by Google X. This is the interior of Google Car. Software used in Google Car is named as Google Chopper. Toyota, Audi, Lexus are also working on driverless cars. Nevada is the first state which allowed the driverless car testing of driverless car on public roads, and Florida is the second state. In 2015, Google introduced a fully autonomous car which had neither steering wheel nor pedals, which cost $150,000, in which LiDAR costs $70,000. That means half of the whole amount. So we can say that LiDAR is the heart of Google Car. By August 2016, their car traveled total of 170,000 miles. According to Google's own accident report, their test cars have been involved with 14 accidents, of which other drivers were at fault 13 times. So, question arises, why we need Google Car? Because behind every invention there is a reason. So, here is the list of reasons that why we need Google Car. Driver error is the most common cause behind road accidents. In 2013, 1.4 million deaths are only due to road accidents. Cell phone entertainment are also sometimes become cause of road accidents because it sometimes diverts the mind of driver. So to reduce the road accident, we need Google Car, or we can say self-driving car. And the next point is technology. There are various technologies are used in driverless car, such as anti-lock brakes. It is also known as skid braking system. It avoids uncontrolled skidding. And the next is electronic stability control. It detects loss of steering control and apply brake automatically. And the next one is cruise control, or we can say speed control. It maintains a steady speed, and we can also limit the speed manually. And next one is lane departure warning system. Its name suggests that its meaning that it warns us when our car departs from one lane to other lane. Now, the next point which we are going to discuss is components. And the first one is GPS. Its full form is Global Positioning System. It is a space-based navigation system which provides real-time location information about the car. And the next one is Google Map. It provides road information such as route, traffic, etc. before reaching the place. So it helps in planning the journey. And the next one is artificial intelligence, also known as AI, helps the car to take real-time decisions. It also helps the car in gaining experiences by learning process just like human. And the next one is sensors. There are various sensors used in driverless car. Sensors are used to provide the car with real-time environmental conditions. And now we are going to discuss few sensors briefly, such as LiDAR. Here we can see a LiDAR is mounted on roof of the Google car, and LiDAR is also known as head of the Google car. It creates 3D image of objects in 200-meter range. It has 64 laser beams which calculate the distance between moving car and object by calculating time taken by beam to hit the object and return back. The full form of LiDAR is light detection and ranging. And the next we are going to discuss is radar. And first of all, this is the constructional diagram of LiDAR. And the next is radar, radio detection and ranging. Here we can see the circuit of radar. Two horn antennas are used in this circuit as a receiver and a transmitter. Radar is an object detection system that uses radio waves to determine the range and velocity of objects. Four radars are mounted on front and rear bumpers to make the car aware of vehicle in front and behind it. And the next is camera. A camera is mounted on windshield of the car. This camera, with the help of AI and image processing, rightly interpret common road behavior. For example, if a cyclist intends to take a turn, then it understands its gesture and it allows the cyclist to take turn by slowing down the speed. And the next is ultrasonic sensor. This technology used sound propagation to detect objects. An ultrasonic sensor is mounted on one of the rear wheels of Google car. An ultrasonic sensor helps track of the movement of the car. It calculates number of rotation of wheels to find exact location with the help of GPS and Google Maps. And it also alerts the car about obstacles in the rear. And the next one is car's CPU. All the data gathered by the sensor is collected and interpreted together by car's CPU to take decisions smartly. So now we are going to discuss about challenges which the Google car is facing right now. 99% of the countries till today not allowed the Google car to drive on public roads. If the internet used in Google car is less secure, then hackers may hack the car and they may do what they want. For example, they may also change the route. It has some issue driving in heavy rains. It has problems in differentiating between a plastic bag and a rock. And the last one is conclusion. Obviously, Google car is very useful. It will reduce the road accidents. It will follow all the traffic rules and regulations. It will make the efficient use of highway. And all the issues will be sorted out by 2020 and then we can enjoy Google car. Thank you.